Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Dua after drinking milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna min. Well, all words are known to you. Allahumma means, oh Allah. Barik. Barik is bless. Okay, it's amr, but we are not ordering Allah. Astaghfirullah, we are begging Allah. Barik. Lana, bless us. Give barakah to us. Fihi, in it, in that drink, in milk. Wa means and. Okay. Wazidna, there are three words in it. Wa means and. Zid means increase. Na as wazidna, and give us more. Okay. Minhu, from it. Here, barik lana, blessing, means that after drinking this milk, the strength and energy we may get should last for a long time and be spent in good deeds. Then it is barakah. If it is spent in bad deeds, no, it's not. Some foods eliminate the hunger only, and some drinks quench the thirst only. The milk fulfills both the hunger and the thirst. Milk contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, water, and a great nourishment for our body. Wazidna min, and give us more from it, means, oh Allah, keep providing us the milk in future too, and don't deprive us from this blessing. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.